Hello good people. How is it all going? You know, you are going to learn a fascinating thing about the YouTube hashtag update. So, why so late? Let's get started. And at the end of the video, you will get to know an awesome way to rank your videos at the top of your YouTube search. Also, we'll talk at the end about the policy of use hashtag that you have to follow or it won't work on your videos. So watch till the end. But before dive into the video, let's do a random shout out to two of my subscribers. Tube Indonesia and Unusuariamus. Remember, in every video, I do a random shout out to two or more of my subscribers, and in future videos, I will also put their channel link in the description. And definitely, it will be helpful for them to grow more. So, you also can be one of them by just hitting the subscribe button. Now, let's get into the video. YouTube team recently made an update. And the update is about the hashtag. They are grouping the content by hashtag, and that means you can discover your needed videos through it. It allows creators to easily connect their content with other videos that share the same hashtag on YouTube. They also allow viewers to quickly find similar content that shares the same hashtag. In the previous version of YouTube, if you searched by hashtag or clicked on any, you'd see a combination of content in the video as well as other related contents. But from now, you can search for a specific hashtag on YouTube. No matter either you are using desktop or mobile application. And after searching through YouTube, you will see a new page that only contains videos related to hashtag. Also, you can go through it by clicking any hashtag you see on YouTube. And you know what? This page will be sorted by the best videos at the top. So why not give it a try by the hashtag Growinner? Now, what do you have to do? You have to use the relevant hashtag with your videos to get into the top of the search list. You have to find out which are relevant to your videos and what can rank you in the YouTube search list. You can add hashtags in a video's title and description when you upload a video or record a short on YouTube. Enter a hash symbol in the title or description and then begin entering the topic or keyword you want to associate with your video, and YouTube will suggest popular hashtags based on the input. From here, choose a recommended hashtag to promote your video among others with the same hashtag, or create your own to find the hashtag that is right for your content. YouTube also have some policy to use hashtag, and if you don't follow this policy, your hashtags maybe won't show under the title of video or may be removed. So, let's know their policy. Number 1, don't use any space in the hashtag. Number 2, don't add too many tags in a single video. The more tags you add to a video, the less relevant they become for viewers who are searching. If a video has more than 60 hashtags, we'll ignore all hashtags on that video. Over-tagging may result in the removal of your video from your uploads or from search. Number 3, don't add hashtags that are not directly related to the video. Misleading or unrelated hashtags may result in the removal of your video. Number 4, don't add a hashtag with a purpose of harassing, humiliating, intimidating, exposing, or threatening an individual or group. Number 5, don't add any hashtags that promote violence or hatred against individuals or groups. Don't add hashtags that contain racist, sexist, or other slurs. Number 6, adding sexual or explicit hashtags may result in the removal of your video. If a video is intended to be sexually provocative, it's less likely to be acceptable for YouTube. Number 7, use of profanity or offensive terms in your hashtags may lead to an age restriction or removal of your video. And finally, number 8, while adding hashtags is allowed, adding ordinary descriptive tags or repetitive sentences in the description is prohibited. If you violate this policy, your video may be removed or penalized. These were the policy by YouTube of using hashtag. I will be making a video on it, that how to find the relevant hashtags for your video, and will teach you how to rank by using it. And YouTube also will come up with more updates about it. So, to know about new things, do subscribe now. Stay tuned and learn new things. Thank you.